Welcome to another 1-minute episode of Microsoft 365 TimeSavers, where you can learn time-saving tips and tricks that you can use today in Microsoft 365. Today I'm going to show you the benefits of creating meetings in Teams channels. Rather than creating a new meeting from your calendar, you can reply to a channel conversation with a meeting invite using the calendar icon. Then add the relevant meeting details and hit send to invite everyone in the channel. Not only is this faster, but others can reply to the meeting invite and add comments or share files in preparation for the meeting, which everyone can see, not just the meeting organizer, which is what happens when using email. Because standard meetings are often one-time events, the associated chat history easily gets lost. But with channel meetings, chat messages are stored in the channel history, making it easy to find this file that Megan shared during the meeting. A final tip is to paste decisions and next steps in the chat at the end of the meeting. These are documented in the channel, saving everyone valuable time at the start of the next meeting, as we can quickly pick up where we left off.